In order to keep themselves cool, plants and trees release water from their foliage in a process called transpiration. If you're going to grow them together in any of your rooms, they can surely bring the mercury down by a slight extent. How can houseplants keep your home cool? When plants take water from the soil through their roots, it travels to the stems and foliage. Some of that water exits the leaves during transpiration, which is also termed as sweating. This process makes the plants and their surrounding air cool. If you're going to grow plants with a high transpiration rate together, they will increase the humidity and coolness around them. Grow a combination of these plants from the list to a total of 6 to 8 in number to experience a noticeable temperature difference. You can grow several Boston ferns near a window or in the balcony. It can improve the humidity by restoring moisture to the indoor atmosphere. For best results, grow them in a combination of pots and hanging baskets. The plant also purifies the air too. Plants with big leaves have a better transpiration rate and are able to release more moisture back into the air. And the rubber plant is no exception. The plant absorbs water from the roots and discharges moisture through the pores on the bottom of the foliage, elevating the coolness around it. The transpiration rate of pothos is so high that you can sometimes see water droplets on its leaves. This works wonderfully well in increasing the humidity levels in the room, which ultimately brings down the temperature and eliminates the dirty air problem. Grow English ivy in a hanging basket or a pot on a plant stand. Keep it on the windowsill, balcony, or close to the door. Being a vine, you can train it to cover the entire outer wall to keep the temperature down. With broad, upright, and densely crowded variegated leaves, dumb cane can not only purify the indoor air, but also plays a small part in keeping your home cool in the summer. It can grow up to 4 to 6 feet tall in indirect light. For best results, grow 3 to 5 plants. This air purifying plant has a highly good transpiration rate, and a lot of them growing together can keep the air moist and cool. AGLAONEMA is available in a range of varieties and is an easy-to-grow plant that survives in low-light areas. While growing Ficus benjamina indoors, choose a plant with a bushier top and tall stem or trunk that creates a little canopy. It helps in improving humidity levels and makes its own atmospheric ecosystem, which brings a noticeable drop in the temperature of the room. As the plant trails down well, you can grow it in hanging baskets and hang many of it in the room if you want to create an indoor jungle-like appearance. A 4 to 6 foot tall plant emits 1 quart of water vapor in the air every 24 hours, making the indoor air humid, which reduces the dry, scorching air during the summer months. It also releases a good amount of oxygen into the indoor air. Bamboo palms are also excellent in cooling your home in the summer months. With a high transpiration rate, you can club 4 to 6 plants in your living room. It is also an excellent plant for filtering out VOCs from your indoor air. Found this video helpful? Make sure to like the video and subscribe.